advocate, Mr. Shanmuga Sundaram, is an acclaimed parliamentarian and sir have served as a public prosecutor of Madras High Court. And adding to his credential, sir has also delivered notable guest lecture on various dimensions on legal phenomenon. With this, I request Senior Advocate Mr. Shanmuga Sundaram to felicitate the gathering.
The District Collector Ms. V. Alaguram, the Registrar General, Additional Registrar, Senior Advocates, friends and participants. I speak on behalf of the N. Natarajan Senior Advocate Charitable Trust. I am one of the trustees. The trust wanted to sponsor this MOOT program, and it was conceived in 2015, and we approached the Madras Bar Association. At that time, I happened to be the president of the Madras Bar Association, and the trust sponsored this program. With first year, we conducted the state level MOOT competition, and the second year it was the all India level competition, and a large number of teams participated. You know, the idea of MOOT competition, first in the country by any bar association, because we wanted to have a connect with the youngsters, and the beauty of our legal profession is training youngsters. Any profession is training youngsters, and particularly legal profession is training youngsters. And this is possible in one way, by encouraging the MOOT competition and encouraging students from the state as well as all over the country to come and participate. And I have to tell you something about Mr. N. Natarajan, Senior Advocate. He is still alive, but he is not practicing. He was one of the leading criminal lawyers of the country. We were all trained by him. He himself was the public prosecutor of the Madras High Court during 75 to 77 or 78. Then he was a leading criminal lawyer in the country. Normally, a criminal lawyer who is defending accused is not engaged to prosecute, and particularly by CBI. CBI totally ignores the defense lawyers because it's one of the premier investigating agencies. They don't have trust in the defense counsel. This one lawyer, when he was defending all but one of the Rajiv Gandhi assassins in the Supreme Court, and you know the famous Nalini versus State case in 98, and that was his contribution to law. But CBI chose him to be the lead prosecutor, special public prosecutor for the Bombay bomb blast case, which is one of the about 262 deaths in the city of Bombay. And that was one of the longest investigation done and the trial done. You know very well, the famous film star Sanjay Dutt was the accused in this case. So that was the case in which he was the special public prosecutor. Later, he was also a public prosecutor for the Fodder scam case. He was the special public prosecutor for the Fodder scam case. And when the famous arms dealer Kotoshi was spotted in Malaysia, Government of India wanted to extradite him, and he was asked to appear before the Malaysian Federal Court, and he went and appeared there. That is the history. And last 3 years he is not practicing. He was originally trained by Mohan Kumar Mangalam. He was junior under Mr. Mohan Kumar Mangalam. Later, he trained about 85 lawyers, about 9 senior advocates are his juniors, including Mr. M. Ravindran, myself, and Arvind Tar and others. So the tradition in the office was he used to train youngsters for 3 years, and after that he will ask them to go out. So that was the practice, and he was doing that, and that in that way most of his juniors have become very leading lawyers in the Madras High Court and Supreme Court. You know, Mr. Arvind Dattar is one of the juniors. He is also talking on the final day. That is the tradition in the office. And I, on behalf of the trust, I wish you all the best. Make use of this. Make use of this competition. I congratulate the Madurai Bar Association for taking this up and doing this. Thank you very much.